Hello everyone. So we know that from last year we've been trapped in the pandemic situation, lockdowns and quarantines and very different situation from what we call a normal day. And people are trying new things to learn at home when trapped in the lockdown. One of them is cooking. Everyone is trying the cooking thing and they search for recipes online, and there are many websites which we show that blog websites and other we can search recipes on YouTube also. So here we are, group 9 from software engineering project. We are here with the New Baker project, which is a recipe sharing website where people can search, share and look at the recipes easily. So we created this site using React framework and JavaScript language in general. Backend server is created using Node.js and it is deployed to Heroku servers, and our front end deployed to Netlify for testing. And this is our front end repository, and these are the 10 contributors, and this is our website. And from here you can see the new Baker logo, from where you can redirect to homepage from any of the pages. This is the search button, and this is the join now button, and these are the cards, and this is the title category of which it is veg or non-veg, and these are the tags. This is the actions you can do with the recipes, and this is the footer for the website, from where you can access the about page, privacy policy and other things. So now we will go to join now and start by creating an account. Click on register, then enter your name and then email, and after entering your email, enter the password. Password must be 8 characters long, so type accordingly. Click on register. It will register you to the website. So now you can log in using your credentials. Enter your email, then enter your password and click on login. It will redirect to the home page. Now you can see the upload button where you can upload your recipe. And so this is interface. So now so one thing is, if you forget your password, you can go to the forget password and click your email, enter your email, click on get OTP. It will redirect you, it will send an OTP to your email. You can open your email and enter the OTP here, and enter a new password. Click reset. It says your password reset successful. Okay, so now you can log in. Enter your credentials, log in. So now we will see the basic functionalities of the project, which is search. So search has many methods. First one is basic search by title. So enter any of the name of the recipe. It will show you the recipes which matches the characters, and you can search for any of them. In the home page, it will filter out the recipes based on the characters. Another is advanced search by going to the search page. So click on search page. So here you can search by different tags and filters. So like for category veg search, it will show you all the recipes which has tag vegetarian. Another is you can select the meal type. You can select multiples also. Click on search. It will show you all the recipes which has tag lunch. Then you can select from different cuisines around the world, and then you can select the chefs which has currently uploaded the recipes on the site, and it will show you all the recipes are uploaded by that specific chef or the user. And you can select the ingredients, multiple ingredients maybe, and it will show you the recipes which has that ingredient. Okay, so this is not so these two recipes includes sugar. So now we will see the preparation time, which is in minutes. So you can adjust it based on the preparation time. It will show you the recipes which can be prepared in given time, available time. So user has easy access to the different search methods, and you can select multiple attributes which is let's lunch and recipe veg chefs. No, let's keep it as it is, and search. So as you can see, you don't have any recipes which you can cook at 60 minutes, so increase it. So with these tags and preparation time 140, you can see the two recipes available to cook. So this is it. Now we will see the basic functionalities of the recipe cards. So this is the details, and you can like the recipes from clicking here, save it from here, and by clicking here you can open the details of the recipe, where you can see the procedure and ingredients and other details of the recipe. From here also you can like and save the recipe, and then you can go to home page again, and now you will see where if I like and save these recipes, it will show it in my dashboard. So now we will go to dashboard by clicking on the profile icon and click on dashboard. It will get you to the dashboard page. Here you can see the uploaded recipes, which are 0 currently, so I have none. Liked recipes which we liked currently, and saved it for the later. So this is it. And now you can see the main functionalities. So from here you can go to user guide, which shows the basic functionalities, how to search and how to log in and how to upload a recipe, and other methods for the first time user maybe. And for about us, this is our team who built this project. Then we will go to privacy policy, which shows the privacy of the if you log into your account. Now we will upload a recipe. Click on the upload recipes page, and you can see the upload recipes page. Enter the details. I have already saved the details for the recipe, so copy it and enter the details. You have to enter the URL of the picture, because the limitations of the server, you cannot upload the picture to the server. So we will enter all the details, including the procedure you have to enter in paragraph format. So we will copy and paste it here, and then we will enter the preparation time 90 minutes, and then we will enter the category of the recipes, which is veg, and the category lunch, or maybe dinner, lunch or dinner, whichever is okay. Cuisine type Indian. Now we will enter the ingredients. So paneer, and how much quantity it is. Enter other ingredients: tomatoes, onions, and you can add other ingredients if you want. I will just keep it like that, and click on submit. It will upload your recipe, and it shows recipe uploaded. Click on OK. It will redirect you to the home page. Now you can see the recipe uploaded on the home page from you, and you can also see it in the dashboard in the uploaded recipes section. So you can go there. From clicking here, you can see the uploaded recipes in your dashboard. So that's it. Thank you. So you can log out from here, and this is our team. Thanks to KUNJ, DEVAL, MITESH, VATSAL, Raj, NIKHIL, DHYEY for contribution to this project. Thanks to our mentor TA Ashna. Thanks to our mentor Professor Saurabh for helping us to understand the functionalities of understand the basics of software development. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.